I'm finna show you all my new bag. Wow. All right, let's get into it.
Hey guys, it's Chris, and this is the 4th time I'm filming this. This is gonna be, whatever this is what it's gonna be, okay? Okay, but seriously, I'm here because I'm so excited. I really love this new bag I got. It's the Uniqlo Round Mini Shoulder Bag. I loved it so much that not only did I get it in beige, but I also got it in black. I am the kind of person, I like a small purse. I don't like it to carry like a big bag, but I also like to be prepared. I am like, I gotta pat myself on the back. I'm the most prepared person I know. I always keep like the best emergency car care kit. You just never know, you know? I like to have everything I could need, and what I personally do to stay prepared is that anytime I find myself in a situation where I'm like, dang, I wish I would have had that, I make a list and I add it and I make sure that I keep it going forward. So let's get started for the 4th time. All right, so this is the bag in the color beige. I want to say the material is nylon, if I'm not mistaken, but it carries, it can hold a lot of items. That was one of the things that drew me to it as well. It still looks small, but it can hold a lot, as you're going to see. So what I'm going to do is empty out the bag, show you the interior of the bag empty, and then I'm going to show you the things that I keep in my bag, and then we're going to pack it all back together. All right, so let's get started. Move the black bag out of the way here, and you just toss it on the couch. All right, so this is what the bag looks like. All right, so this is what the bag looks like full, but let's go ahead and dump the contents. Ooh, you know what? Let me back it up a little. Okay, I'm gonna dump the contents of the bag out so you can see. Also, another thing, I want to give a small disclaimer here. I was inspired by a lot of other everyday carry bags. So if you see some of the items that maybe you've seen referenced in other creators' videos, I'll try to link all the items down below in those videos. But again, I love to be prepared, so that's what really inspired me. All right, so this is what the bag's interior looks like. So it's quite big. There are so on this side of the bag, there are 2 pockets. So when I zip it closed this way. So what I do is put the things that I need to access very easily and quickly on the pocket on the far right. And then the stuff that's still kind of important, but not as important as the other items I put on the left. Everything else goes in the big middle space. So let's get started. All right. Okay, so just so you can see everything and it's easier for me to get this thing to adjust and focus, I'm gonna move everything a little bit closer, but we're gonna keep going in real time. All right, the first thing I keep is a pocket knife. You never know if you need to cut a box open or if you need to cut some body, but either way, you know, it's good to have some form of self-defense. And it just for a little added peace of mind, I also keep some pepper spray in case I need to defend myself from a distance, you know. All right, the other thing I keep in my bag is I like to keep some Bath & Body Works room spray, and this is actually more lightweight than I thought. I tried to actually order another air freshener room spray before because I thought like maybe this one was too heavy, but basically we've all been there. You go in the bathroom stall behind somebody and they have absolutely blown it up. They need to go see a doctor, or you might have to blow it up. Either way, I want to freshen the space. I always try to freshen it up before I leave a bathroom stall. The next thing I keep in my bag is floss. You never know if you need floss or if you need to share floss with others. The other thing I keep in my bag is this inhaler. I have asthma. Albuterol on deck is a must. So the next sets of things I keep in my bag are lip products. So I keep my lip pencils. I keep my lip pencils and lip balms in my purse as well, but I keep it in that pouch that's closest to the front because these are items that I do need to access quite often. Now, I do keep a lipstick in there sometimes. Like, let's say, okay, for instance, yesterday I wore this lipstick to church. I really like it. So for the last day or two, I've been having it in rotation. I'll keep it in my purse, but this isn't an everyday thing. Lipstick, I'm a lip balm girl. But I put this in the main pouch, and depending, you know, if it gets to the point where I'm wearing this super often, it will go in the priority pocket. Oh, get back in there. Okay, the next thing I keep in my everyday carry is lotion. I have eczema. I know y'all see it. I have eczema on my hands. It's important to keep my hands moisturized at all times, especially if I'm washing them so often. But this is an old Aveeno travel lotion bottle, and I've had the same one literally for years. I just keep refilling it. This goes in the priority pouch. Okay. I am saved, sanctified, and filled with the Holy Ghost. If you know, you know. I keep my anointing oil on me. Don't stop it. Stop. All right. The next thing I keep are my AirPods here. Of course, my wallet with my cards and ID that goes in the main pouch. I keep a pen. So in this little plastic container, we've all had the experience where you get your food from a drive-thru and they did not put pepper or any seasonings in it, but you're not gonna catch me slipping. All it takes is one time. So in this little clear pouch, what I have is crushed red pepper, stevia, and then I can't pronounce it, but you know it's the Creole seasoning salt. You know, you're not gonna catch me slipping. You got one time to leave stuff out of my order before I start carrying my own, and I just put it back into this little pouch here, seal it up, and this goes in the second priority bag. I usually do not keep a drink mix like this, but a friend gave it to me, and I actually think I'm gonna start keeping them in there because sometimes I don't wanna drink just water. Now I have these two mesh pouches. So in the first mesh pouch, I keep little things that we all probably need, probably should be carrying. I have some ibuprofen here. Got tweezers. I have some Benadryl because it is spring in Georgia. This may come as a surprise, but it's the Fenty Eye Brightener. I did a review on this 2 years ago. This is literally that same bottle, but this is perfect like for a no makeup look where I don't want to look like I haven't slept in forever. I just have naturally dark under eyes. And then in this little vial, I keep some medication. The pink medication is the medication on the bottom. If you know, you know. I also keep caffeine pills just in case I need a little energy, but I don't have access to coffee or something. And then finally, this is perhaps the most important thing of all. This is my little hygiene kit, and it'll make sense. Everything's gonna make sense. So let's empty this. All right. All right. So the first thing in here is a Clorox wipe. You never know. The next thing I keep in here is a folded up grocery bag, and I think it'll make more sense as I go on why I keep the folded up grocery bag. You just never know, okay? I keep a tampon just in case myself or another lady needs one. You never know. I keep Poopourri Spray in case nature calls. Again, I try to be considerate. I don't want to smell nobody else's. Nobody else wants to smell mine. I keep panty liners in here for myself or if anybody else should happen to need one. I keep a Band-Aid for just in case. I kind of layer this a certain way in here so it's neat. I keep Summer's Eve wipes. Now, you guys know I love a bidet, but it's in this bag. A bidet cannot fit in there. I could fit a travel bidet, but I would have to sacrifice like space for other things, and I just don't want to do that. I'm moving this Band-Aid around. So as an alternative, I keep wipes. Summer's Eve wipes instead of having a whole bidet. Now I do have one of those TikTok travel bidets in my gym bag, but again, size. This is some body oil here. I ordered this on Amazon. It was like $6. It smells like chocolate. You never know if you are out and you get musty one day, you know. You just never know. Or if you forget perfume or you just want to freshen up and smell good. I have a breath mint here. And finally, I have this little pouch. I hope the sun is not making the reflection too bad, but in this pouch, I have a mini nail file, nail clippers, tweezers, and I don't know if you can see this, but on the back, there's a safety pin, because you never know if you have a wardrobe malfunction. And I put this in here and zip it up. Oop. And that's what I keep in my bag. Another thing I forgot to mention, that's not even including my cell phone and my keys. And even with that stuff in it, it doesn't feel super heavy. And I like also that the bag is small enough to where, let's say you do want to like grab some more extra like unnecessary things, you can throw this bag inside of another like bigger bag if you want, or you can just kind of just carry it as is. So that's what I keep in my everyday bag. Now let me show you a few other quick specs. So you can, I wear it as a crossbody like this. This is how I wear it. But I've seen some other people adjust the strap, and you can wear it, you know, like if you want to wear it under your boob or whatever, you know, or wear it under your chest area. This will float your boat. You can wear it there. I have seen it styled that way. Oh, maybe I need to add some more strap. I personally wouldn't wear it this way, you know, but Gen Z, you know, Gen Z can get away with it, you know, wearing it kind of like this or wearing it in the front kind of like this. That's not my preference. I'm a crossbody girl. Also, did I mention that this bag is only $19.99, which is a plus. I love that it doesn't have any logos. I love that it's just very plain. I'm very plain Jane. I don't like anything big and bulky or flashy. I just, you know, just needed to go with everything. So yeah, but as for always, thank you guys so much for watching. And let me ask you guys this. Are there any items that I don't have in my everyday carry bag that you think that I should, so that way I can be even more prepared? If you do, leave a comment down below with those items, because I'm always trying to brainstorm based on my own personal experience, but I would really appreciate your help in that area. But as for always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.